Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at how to add unique characters to our mat. Just a quick intro here. So today's video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back to our program. So to add characters like these is quite a trick if you have to try use keyboard commands and stuff like that. It's kind of a lost art form which nobody practices anymore. But otherwise, for to do it in VinylCut, what we can do, we want to navigate to our libraries panel. So if we click the little book with a star, and then we navigate to the fonts tab under the libraries. Now keep in mind these unique characters will vary depending on the font you've got selected. So if we navigate down here and let's say you find some unique characters, just deselect that so we can add it to the canvas as a new. Then as you can see here, you can simply just click on it and then it will add it to the new text. And this is quite handy, you know, when you need that unique character in your text. Otherwise, yeah, that's how we cover how to add unique symbols and that to the mat in VinylCut using the library panel. So we just head to our website here. If you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like this. As you can see here, we cover quite a variety of different software, and also we have a search option here on the right. If you don't find what you're looking for, just request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.